Richard Phillips trying to cross the river.
Oh dude, this is so cold. Oh!
Welsh fresh water.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Jesus.
Oh, my toes. My toes. Can't feel my toes.
Oh!
There's a shallower point to cross down there, guys.
This is really sharp as well.
Ow!
Painful. Ow. Ow, do not splash me, motherfucker. Ah, slippy.
Painful.
Shit.
Ow! Don't fall over. After all this to keep dry, I cannot fall over.
Oh, oh
Shit.
that's painful. Shit. Do that.
Oh no! Come on!
Shit, man.
Go.
You actually made it up stacking.
Fuck! Ow! Cunt! Mother Jesus Christ! Ow! It's so cold.
We did it!